Sometimes people ask us if we maintain our equipment or if it's clean in between jobs. We do take care of that. We make sure there's no germs coming into your house. One of the things that we also do is we take care of our vacuums thoroughly. See, I have a Dyson vacuum. We're just gonna get all that debris out. We're gonna take it apart. This thing comes apart just like that from the canister. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna blow off everything with an air compressor. This is what's in your home. So next what we're going to do is we're going to trim the hair off. Take off these tabs underneath. Now see, just the hair comes right off. Something that we do quite often. Getting this hair out of here before we come to your home. Pull all that hair off. Even for your home vacuum, this is good to do. Get rid of all this hair, just trim it. It's not a big deal. You just trim off one side and start pulling it. It might be a little gross. You can wear gloves, whatever it takes. And that'll actually help keep your vacuum clean too. And what I did earlier with the blowing and all that, that'll actually create better suction in your vacuum. Then, after, we spray some solution and we just start wiping down all the crevices and getting it ready for your house. And then we put it back together and we're good to clean.